you doing? Happy, is it Groundhog's Day? Maybe that's the second. Anyway.
That's pretty empty. It's alright. That's their water. Well, they could use a top up. They have a heater in there too. And he is
You got a big old access there, pussycat. Huh? Hey, 5'9". Okay, Mom. So, Wednesday, 1st of February. Happy, is it Groundhog's Day? Maybe that's the second. Anyway, getting lighter and lighter every day, every morning. So, spring is around the corner. Woke up, it's minus 25. But thank goodness there's no wind. So it's not so bad, but oh my goodness. Beautiful sunrise. And yeah, it's getting ready for the day. Gonna do regular chores, make sure everybody's okay. And just enjoy being out in the sunshine. I think it's gonna be sunny today. Just did chores. Nice sunrise video this morning. Yeah, looking all pleasant. The wind's gonna die down, and I think this should be the last blast of the super cold. Minus 30-60 by the morning with a minus 40 wind chill, but it's not going to be very windy. This is a saving grace. I put some hay in the barn. I just fed them barley. They've had water, so I'll hunker down. Minus 6, Saturday, February 4th. Looking very nice outside. It's lovely. No wind. Here we go. Jackson. How you doing? Oh, the tail's wagging. Oh, this is so good. Oh, what a good boy. Yeah, what a good dog. Some people tell you that if you interact too much with your guardian dogs, you ruin them. Yeah, maybe in some aspects, but we haven't noticed any issues there. Better to have them socialize. Where's my boy? And Bo. Hello, Bo. Hello. Hello, you guys. I don't know if you guys need barley today. It's so warm. Yeah. Oh, Bo, you're looking a bit drooly. Let's clean that up for you, shall we? That's weird. That's fascinating. That's all right. Give everybody water. Hello, girls. Oh, aren't my girls lovely? Huh? Aren't you beautiful? Huh? Huh? Yes. 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 These are my ewe lambs. Replacements. Oh, you come out today, Casper. Hello, pretty. Oh no. Oh no. You guys, I'm gonna feed you later, okay? I'm gonna feed you barley later. Yes, I am. You eat your hay up. Because it's not cold. You're in your operating range, temperature range. Okay? Yes? But Mom, we love our barley. Where's our barley? And you're the one who brings it. Laters. Gotta get Casper out. Gunshots in the distance. Jackson's sensing something. Aren't you, honey? Huh? It's not that warm to melt ice. Ooh, exciting morning. All 3 dogs, including Jackson, out, chased 2 coyotes off the place, lickety split. Now coming back. You probably can't see that. Good dogs. That's what they're supposed to do. Alrighty, today is the day we get Mr. Casper out of the replacements, and that is breeding season done. Good boy. Yes, I'm not getting you. Hello, mister. Oh, you're such a boy. You're such a nice, even-tempered ram. And just like that, I've got him. There's a good dog. Hut, girl. Hut, girl. Good boy. Come on. Yeah, you're good, silly girl. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, you can fit through that. Come on, there's the boy. Yes, come on. Hold on. All right. And he's back with his buddies. So this is the 3 Tres Amigos. Sniff, sniff, sniff. All right, breeding season finished.